Hey guys, welcome back. So, remember I made a previous video of this Ecoflow River 2 Max, and I just went over some of the features on it, and I said that I was going to do another video of what it can power, some of the things that you can use with it. And so this is the video that's going to do that. Once again, this is the Ecoflow River 2 Pro Max. I'm sorry, the Max, and this has got the 512 watt hour battery. And right now, as you can see, is at 100%. So you get 99 hours, and that's with nothing going out right now. So once we start doing the testing, you will see that you know this is going to change. You'll see that the battery percentage will start to go down, and you'll see like the output that is putting out. So I have a number of things here that we're going to test out. I got this it's a egg cooker, a tablet, a laptop. So what is this? GoPro battery to recharge, a rice cooker, mini rice cooker, and this is a Ryobi battery. What is this? Oh yeah, this is a little sandwich maker here, and a Mr. Coffee pot. Also, I have my little mini kettle here, and it's like 250 watts, plus a 12 volt rice cooker. We'll start off by, we'll plug in the GoPro battery. I'm just going to sit this down here. Plug this in real quick. Get that started. As you can see, it's starting to charge up, and you can see it is taking 11 watts to charge that up. I have a little tablet here. It's a Samsung tablet. So you can see that's going up to 19 watts going out right now. And then you can see the hours has gone down to 42, 26 now. 20. And what about a laptop? We're just going to use one of the AC outlets here for that. So we're going to turn that on for the AC. And you can see that it's gone up to about 51 watts going out, charging up the laptop here. And now that just cuts down to 8 hours. And what about if we charge up the Ryobi battery too? All right, as you can see, the battery's charging. That has gone up to 80 watts. So that is with the Ryobi battery charging, a GoPro battery charging, the tablets that's charging, and a laptop that's charging. So now it's just gone down to, I think that's 72%, 72 watts going out, 45 watts, showing 6 hours now. So as you can see, you can charge up a whole bunch of multiple items here. All right, guys. So next we got this little mini egg cooker. This is this is Dash by Dash. Let's just see how that's gonna work. Get that plugged in. Okay. I just put some water in it. Not really gonna boil any eggs, or actually steam eggs. We're just gonna see how many watts this is gonna put out. So as you can see right now, she's putting out 342 watts, and this has gone down to 1 hour. I can get an hour out of this battery using this little egg cooker at 342 watts. This is starting to steam up here. So yeah, I'm gonna say that's a pass. So I could steam some eggs. So let's try something else. All right, what about my mini little griddle here? I don't know how many watts this one puts out. Let's just take a look, see what we got. 520 watts. So that's gonna be borderline, because this can do 500. But let's just see what's gonna happen here. Get that plugged in. Ooh, jumped right up to 526 watts. I can feel this heating up right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that going for like another minute just to make sure it doesn't trip the, overload the battery. So guys, I'm probably gonna say I can make a nice little toasted cheese sandwich. Let's go to the water kettle. We'll see what happens here, if it's gonna work. Yep, okay. So this is a little mini water kettle, and it draws about 283 watts. So at this rate of pulling 283 watts, you got 1 hour. So, yep, I'm going to say that would be no problem of boiling water with this. What about a pot of rice? My mini rice cooker. Like I said, this little power station is good for like mini appliances like this. Plugged in. I just got water in this, so no rice. And that is on cook. So as you can see, that is drawing 231 watts. There we go. Cook. As you can see, it is cooking. And this is drawing 231 watts. We've got an hour. It's down to 90%. So yeah, so we could feasibly make a pot of rice. Now I do have another rice cooker. Put you to the side. So guys, this is a Temu special here. This is a mini rice cooker, but it's a 12 volt rice cooker. So we're gonna test this 12 volt out up here. Plug that in. Turn that on. And you can see the little light comes on. So it is actually cooking rice. And this is drawing 51, 54 watts. I think it's going to go up as it warms up. $63 watts is showing. And as you can see here, I'm just going to set this up here too. As you can see, 5 hours and 50 minutes, 66 watts, same as this, 66 watts, 89%, 89%. So if I want to, I can go into this and I can just turn this DC off right now. So she's up to 69 watts. You can see on here too, 69 watts. The battery's down to 89%. We still got 5 hours and 19 minutes. So yeah, guys, 12 volt rice cooker, mini rice cooker. I'm gonna say that will pass. As you can see, it's still going up for the watts, 72 watts now. But it does take this one a long time to cook though. So I'm gonna say that's gonna pass. All right, guys, one more thing, and that is going to be the coffee maker. Turn that off. But first we're gonna try it without the EcoBoost. Like I said, this thing is gonna draw 650 watts, so I seriously doubt it's gonna work the first time. How long will this thing work? Turn that on. And let's start a cup, see what happens. 643 watts. Oh, it's starting to percolate. And there we go. So that gave me about 30 seconds overload. As you can see right here, it's saying overload. All right, so basically what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in X Boost. Can turn that back on. Let that reset. Go back to our main screen here for my app. And let's brew a cup of coffee. So you can see that now, where it was 634 watts. Now it's just 498 watts. But yeah, still making our coffee here. So it actually still works, just with the X Boost on. So I'm gonna say that's a pass with the X Boost. So I'm gonna turn this off. Maybe off. Let's turn these back on for the eggs and for the rice. How about that? So as you can see, the rice cooker is working and the eggs, it's working. and we're drawing 410 watts. It's shown that we still have 47 minutes and down to 79%. So yeah, I think that would work. We could be making rice and either you could do poached eggs in this thing too. So you'd be making rice and eggs at the same time. So yeah, so this is the Ecoflow River 2 Max. Like I said, 512 watts. Oh, here we go. Now we got the fan. So you can see that little symbol here. That means the fan just kicked in, and you can hear that. All right, guys. So if you like this kind of content, I ask you guys to please like, subscribe, and just leave some comments. If you have any questions, comments, just leave that down in my comment section, and I'll get back to you. Like I said, please like, subscribe. If you subscribe, that's, like I said, it's totally free.